Hey everybody, welcome back to another 1989 Honda Prelude video. Well, this week I have found something I'm pretty excited about. This is a gas cap holder from Capit, and I'll put the link in the description. I got this off of Instagram, and pretty nice guy. These fit a lot of vehicles. Probably first and second gen CRXs, definitely Honda Preludes. Anyway, it holds the gas cap while you're, getting gas. And then they included this new sticker right here. So I'll show you how this goes on the car, but what I'll have to do is I'll have to get the heat gun out and remove my old sticker because it's right in the middle of the gas door. That'll make sense when you see it, so stay tuned. All right, over here at the car, this is seemingly a pretty simple procedure. This is what the factory setup looks like. I do believe this is the original metal gas cap that I have. Here's the original factory decal. And the issue that I'm going to have is this is probably in the wrong place. So that's why you can purchase at your choosing a new factory sticker. And there's the part number for it. So this cap, it goes on with double-sided tape, and it seems to be pretty simple. I guess all I need to do is just see if I can place this on here, if this will allow it to close. I guess maybe it will, without having to put it more up in the center. The issue you will have is clearance. You have to kind of get this right down here in order to provide the clearance for when you close it. And also, if it's too high, it'll interfere with the cap, and you definitely don't want that. But anyway, looks like it's gonna be pretty forgiving. So let me open this package and clean this up and see if I can get away with leaving this factory decal. Stay tuned. I'll go ahead and remove this cap. See if I can install it there. Just peeling off this super strong 3M tape. Just want to show you this stuff. Once this is on, I think this is going to be very difficult to get off. So I'm going to peel this off, and it looks like I will be able to place it down here. Looks like there will be appropriate clearance once this is closed. All right, and here it is. Just as simple as that. This is on there nice and strong, closes no problem. Allows you to go ahead and take the cap off instead of placing it on the trunk or forgetting it. You simply place it in there, just like most modern cars have. This car being 30 years old, I don't think they thought of details like that back then, but I love this. This is definitely worth the money in my opinion. Just little details like that make the car and it closes, no problem. I'm gonna go ahead and save this. The factory one is on there just a little bit crooked, so I might get the heat gun out and go ahead and put this on there. But this is a factory part, so definitely good to have that. Anyway, all came with this alcohol swab, but I used a better cleaner to go ahead and clean the whole inside of there before I installed it. So, quick little project. I'm going to be doing a full detail on this 1989 Prelude very soon because I have the Japanese classic car show coming up in a few weeks. That's in Long Beach, California. This car's pretty clean, but it sits around a lot, gets dusty, stuff like that. So when I do a full clean, I usually take the wheels off, clean inside of them, inside the wheelhouses, clean the exhaust, of course the jams and everything. But JCCS is coming up, and I'll have a video on that. Plenty of classic Japanese goodness if you're into that sort of thing. And of course, shortly thereafter comes Radwood, LA. My goal this year is to take this Prelude and the Miata. Take two cars this year Couple Preludes there last year, a couple of Miatas. Those are much more plentiful, of course, than these Preludes, but I love them both. So that'll pretty much do it for this quick video. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see on this Prelude. I still have the 84 Prelude that I really haven't done much with. Mechanically, I need to get it running first, rebuild the carburetors, and that's just kind of low on the priority list. But this car being fuel injected, don't have that problem with the carburetors. Love this car, it's one of my favorite cars. Have any questions, or if there's anything else you want to see on this car, let me know. Be happy to make another video. But for right now, I will also put the link in the description for the Capit if you're interested. And it does fit more than just Hondas. I know it'll fit Toyotas and pretty much any other car where you have enough space in there. And so check it out. That'll do it for now. And as always, we'll catch you on the flip side.